molecule is actually interacting with those molecules in the body and therefore enable pain relief. Okay, so that's maybe something you could kind of look at and consider, and there's quite a lot of information out there, and I think there's probably some in, if you do A-level biology, in your biology textbooks as well, so that's certainly a source of information that you might want to use. Okay, another idea, if you're really not into biology, or if you've got other ideas, is you can consider the molecule of aspirin compared to maybe ibuprofen or paracetamol. Obviously, all three of them are very common painkillers, all available over the counter, but what is it that is different or similar about them? You could look at the functional groups that make up the different molecules. You could look at the dosages, or you could look at how they work in different ways, if they do work in different ways, or if they work in similar ways, how they work in similar ways. So you could consider maybe the side effects of them all and what makes them better for what kind of patient or whatever. So you could start looking at something like that. And I do know there was an edition of Chemistry Review, I think it's last year or the year before, that looked in quite a lot of detail at ibuprofen. So that might be quite a nice one to consider doing. What else is there? Well, you could, if you're interested in something like engineering, is look at maybe scale up. So obviously when you make aspirin in the lab, you're not making a huge quantity of it, okay? You're going to make it in test tubes, you'll be weighing out ingredients using spatulas, the balances to 2 decimal places, etc.